Hey everyone, it's April 14th, 1912. I'm coming to you from my cabin on the Titanic, Hattis. Yes, the Titanic.
I've been journaling every night, mostly small things, seasick passengers, a child with a scraped knee. But tonight, something feels different. The air is so cold. I'm not sure why, but I can't sleep.
Okay, that was weird.
It's freezing. I just helped a mother get her baby wrapped in blankets. I told her she'd be okay. I don't know if that's true, but she believed me. If this is the last time I get to talk to you, know that I tried. I stayed. Not because I had to, but because it felt right. I'm going to help until the end. That's what we're trained to do. That's who I am. I survived, barely. I was pulled from the water hours later by the Carpathia. My diary was still in my coat. Everything else is gone, but I will never forget the faces of those we lost, or the silence that followed.